Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress on our EC2 instance, but we are gonna use the RDS instead of the local database. First, I'm gonna show you how to use MySQL Workbench to connect to your RDS. Let's go to this website and download MySQL Workbench. I'm using 64-bit, so we download it. I've already downloaded. So after you download it, you do the installation. Then you should be able to run this program, MySQL Workbench. Okay, last time we have already collect all the information from our RDS, and we will use those information to connect to our RDS database. We give a name AWS RDS DB, and we change the method to standard TCP/IP over SSH. This means we connect to our server first. Okay, we copy our server EC2 server address here and use the port 22 here, EC2-user. No, we are not going to use the password, we use the key file. Here you need to know we have to use the .pem key rather than .ppk key here, and my SQL hostname. Okay, and the username we created last time, and the password we created as well for this user. Then we click test connection. This way, it is more secure than using the direct connection to your database. Okay, we can see we have connected to the DB successfully. Click OK, and click OK. You will see the connection is here. Okay. We click it. Yep, that's the interface when you connect it to your DB. This is the place show you all the databases. We have created a database called WordPress, but it's a empty database at the moment. Okay, after this I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress. First, let's log into our EC2 instance first. Check the key is here and click open. Nice. Okay, after login, we go to the var3w HTML folder. Okay, ls will show all the contents here. Then we type wget http wordpress.org/ latest.tar.gz. It will download the latest version of WordPress. Then we unzip this file. Okay. We type tar-ls xzvf latest.tar.gz. This command will unzip this zip file. Done. We use RDS to check. Yeah, you can see there's a new folder called WordPress. Okay. Yes, that is the WordPress we've installed. So we go to our server and type /WordPress. Yes, we can see the installation guide here. But what we are gonna do next is we are gonna move everything inside the WordPress folder to our HTML folder. Because we haven't got a domain yet, it will cause a bit of problem for WordPress if we don't link our domain to this subfolder. So it's better to put your WordPress under just the HTML root folder. Okay, so we go to WordPress folder and we are going to move them to the HTML folder. Move everything. Okay. Yeah, we use this command to check if we have any hidden files, but we can see there is no any hidden file here. So we use mv space star var 3w html. Okay, enter. Done. You can see nothing inside this folder. And then we go back one folder to the HTML. We can see WordPress has already moved to here. Yep. Then we just go to our IP address. We should see the same thing. It's the installation guide for WordPress. Okay, we click let's go. Yeah, it asked to put your database information. We are not gonna use our local database. We will use the RDS database instead of the local database. So we have to put the AWS RDS DB information here. The database name is WordPress. And the last time we also created a user especially for the WordPress. Okay. We use Workbench and click users and privileges. We should be able to see the user we created last time. Yep, WP admin. Okay. Username, WP admin. Password, use the one you created last time. Okay. Database host. We use the RDS host name. Okay. Table prefix you can leave as default. Yes. We can see WordPress can now communicate with your DB and run the installation. Site title, you can put everything you want. Put inspire you. Okay. And the username, choose whatever you want, but I don't suggest you to use admin or administrator as default. It is not that secure. Here we use IT administrator. You can use the auto generated password, or you can change the password by yourself. I'm gonna use the auto generated password. It's better you just save this password somewhere, and then you put your email you want. After that, we can click install WordPress. Okay, that was quick. Success. Then we click login. Yes, the username we just created, and the password. Click login. Great! We have successfully installed WordPress on our EC2 server using RDS database rather than the local database. There are many good things for using RDS rather than the local database. Amazon RDS provide a lot of good features, like the database snapshot, real-time restoration. Okay, we go back to our workbench. We should be able to see all the tables WordPress uses. Yeah, you can see we got all the WordPress tables here. And one simple SQL command to show all table contents. Select star from WP post. Okay. Yep. We have to choose a DB first. So how to choose a DB? We use another command. Okay, so use WordPress, the DB name, and we run these two commands together. Okay, we can see the results. Yep. Thank you for watching. See you next time.